Hello and welcome to the mini course for learning to read and write in kindergarten. This website has been designed for parents and caregivers to complete with their child so that you can get a little glimpse of what it looks like when we are teaching our youngest learners to read and write in school. I just want to show you a little bit around the site. This is the home page here, just kind of explaining what we're doing here with this course. And then at the bottom, there's contact information for me if you have a question about anything that you are seeing or a question about how you should be working on something. Over here on the left-hand side, we've got the navigation bar where all of the lessons are going to be listed out. And we also have a calendar so that you can see where your child should be performing at a certain point in the year. This is all centered around their testing for report cards and different state tests that we are required to do. So if you ever want to know where they should be at any point in the year, this is where you're going to find that. The lessons, as I said, are right over on this side here, and each page is going to take a similar format to this. There are videos that your child can watch. The repetition of a lot of this information is going to be so important for them to really get that information in. And then underneath that, we have some games. They can practice their newfound skills. And then even farther below that, there is a quiz that they can take. This is not a graded quiz. I don't have a grade book in this course because it's just something that they're going to be practicing with their parents, but it does give immediate feedback, so it allows them to tweak their learning as they're going along. If you have any questions at all about completing this course, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Thank you.